The kitchen is the heart of your home, and the cabinets you choose will be the biggest factor in both your budget and your daily functionality. Welcome back to VA Mortgage Specialist, where we help you navigate the complex decisions of a high-end kitchen renovation or new construction project. Stock cabinets are the most budget-friendly option and are available immediately, though they come in limited sizes and styles that may not fit every corner perfectly. Semi-custom cabinets offer a massive variety of door styles and finishes, allowing you to modify the dimensions to better suit your specific kitchen layout. For a truly one-of-a-kind look, custom cabinets are built from scratch to your exact specifications, providing the ultimate in storage efficiency and high-end design. In 2026, many savvy homeowners are choosing semi-custom boxes with high-end custom doors to achieve a luxury look. Without the massive custom price tag, regardless of the tier you choose, you should prioritize all wood construction and soft-close hinges to ensure your kitchen stands up to years of heavy use. Visit VAMortgageSpecialist.com to see our 2026 kitchen design gallery and subscribe to learn how to maximize your home's value with smart upgrades.